Today we shall study about microscope in optical instrument, ray optics and optical instrument chapter. A sample microscope is a converging lens of a small focal length. In order to use such a lens as a macroscope, the lens is held near the object, one focal length away or less, and the eye is positioned close to the lens on the other side. The idea is to get an erect, magnified and virtual image of the object at a distance so that it can be viewed comfortably. It means at 25 centimeter or more, if the object is at a distance f, the image is at infinity. However, if the object is at distance slightly less than the focal length of the lens, the image is virtual and closer than the infinity. Although the closest comfortable distances for viewing the image is when it is at the near point. It causes some strain on the eye. Therefore, the image formed at infinity is often considered most suitable for viewing by the relaxed eye. We saw both cases, the first in figure 1a and the second in figure 1b and c. The linear magnification M for the image formed at the near point D by a sample microscope can be obtained by using the relation M brought V by U brought V into 1 by F minus 1 by V minus 1 by F 1 minus D by F. Now, according to our sign convention, V is negative and equal in magnitude to D. Thus, the magnification is M brought 1 plus D by F. Since D is about 25 centimeter, to have magnification of 6, one needs a convex lens of focal length f barabar 5 centimeter. Now we shall find the magnification when the image is at infinity. In this case, we will have to obtain the angular magnification. Suppose the object is at height h, the minimum angle it can subtend and be clearly visible without a lens is when it is at the near point. It means a distance d. The angle subtended is then given by tan theta naught barabar h by d barabar theta naught from the relation h dash by h barabar m barabar v by u. We have the angle subtended by the image tan theta I barabar h dash bata minus v barabar h bata minus v into v by u barabar h bata minus u barabar theta. The angle subtended by the object when it is u barabar minus f. It's the theta I barabar h by f. As is clear from figure 1b, the angular magnification is therefore m barabar theta I bata theta o barabar d by f. This is the one less than the magnification when the image is at the near point. Now the compound microscope, the figure is shown in one ray diagram for the formation of image by a compound microscope. In this compound microscope, there are two convex lenses, one is objective and second is eyepiece. Now a schematic diagram of a compound microscope is shown in figure 1. The lens nearest the object called the objective forms a real inverted magnified image of the object. This serves as the object for the second lines. The eyepiece, which functions essentially like a sample microscope or magnifier, produces the final image, which is enlarged and virtual. The first inverted image is thus near at or within the focal plane of the eyepiece at a distance appropriate for final image formation at infinity or a little closer for image formation at the near point. Clearly, the final image is inverted with respect to the original object. We now obtain the magnification due to a compound microscope. The ray diagram of figure 1 shows that the linear magnification due to objective, namely h dash bata h equals mo barabar h dash bata h barabar l bata fo, where we have used the result tan beta barabar h bata fo barabar h dash bata l. Here h dash is the size of the first size of the first image, the object size being h and fo being the focal length of the objective, the first image is formed near the focal point of the eyepiece. The distance L, it means the distance between the second focal point of the objective and the first focal point of the eyepiece. Focal length F is called the tube length of the compound microscope. As the first inverted image is near the focal point of the eyepiece, we use the result from the discussion above for the sample microscope to obtain the angular magnification ME due to it. When the final image is formed at the near point is ME barabar 1 plus d by Fe. When the image is formed at infinity, the angular magnification due to the eyepiece is ME barabar d by Fe. Thus the total magnification when the image is formed at infinity, M barabar MOME barabar L bata Fo into d by Fe. M barabar MO into ME barabar L bata Fo into d by Fe. Clearly, to achieve a larger magnification of a small object, the objective and eyepiece should have a small focal length. In practice, it is difficult to make the focal length much smaller than 1 centimeter. Also, large lenses are required to make L large. Various of the other factors such as illumination of the object contribute to the quality and visibility of the image. In modern microscope, multi-component lenses are used for both the objective and the eyepiece to improve image quality by minimizing various optical aberrations or defects in lenses.